Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. In this video, I will show you how I made this amazing potpourri from the citrus and from the rose petals. So this was really easy, really cool, smells amazing. If this is something you would like to know how to make it, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project you will need 1 orange, 1 lemon, a couple of rose flowers I have, and a little bit of rosemary, and also I used 1 paper towel. So I squeezed kind of a little bit pressed on the paper towel to get the juice out before I placed them on a cookie sheet. So I put them all kind of grouped together, and then I ran out of space, so I moved them closer to each other. So it's not a big deal, you can do that. And then on the other side of a sheet, I put all my roses petals in there. So then after you're done with cutting it in the thin slices, as thin as you can, I guess, then you turn on your oven for 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and you bake all of this for 3 hours. But what I did, every 30 minutes, I set the timer for myself. I went in and turned only the lemon and oranges on a different side. So kind of flip them over. So I did not touch the roses, and I did not touch the rosemary. This is how everything looked, and I think everything turned out pretty good. You could see everything dry. It already smells pretty good, but I like to add a little bit of essential oil, and I have one that is a sweet orange, which I just add a couple of drops on every piece. And then I had some that is roses, essential oil that says roses on it, and I sprinkle over my petals as well. And it just gives it a little bit more scent, since I wanted to make it as a gift, or if I do it for myself, I put it in like a bowl, then it stays, the smell stays for quite a while, and I love how it smells. The citrus, potpourri, and the roses makes an amazing smell together. So I hope you guys can try it and see what I'm talking about. But after I did all of that, I used a little mason jar from Dollar Tree, and it is a perfect for a gift. If you're making a potpourri as a gift, I put it all in there to show you how it can be look like it if you make it as a gift. And then at the end, I dumped it all in my little bowl because I wasn't really making it for anybody. I just made it for myself because I like how it smelled. So since we're all staying at home, it's an amazing kind of refresh the room with the smell like that. To make it a little bit more pretty, I used a little bow. I don't remember when I bought this, but it looks like I think it's from Dollar Tree, and it was around Christmas. They have a bunch of those little bows. So I took all the pieces off, and then I used my hot glue and I glue it to the top so it kind of look more giftable. And it looks pretty already, but I like to make a little attention to detail. It's always fun. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I showed you, this could be a gift when you put your potpourris inside of this little can and give it to somebody. But since I made it for myself, I dump it back in my little bowl. And oh my God, it smells amazing. I wish I could transfer a smell to you, because it smells like a citrus, and the roses and the orange give this a tad like a tart smell. I don't know, it's just, I have put it, before I filmed this video, I put it in my little background, and my kids keep asking, what does smell so good? Anyway, so it's up to you if you want to make it for somebody. This would be a cute little container from a Dollar Tree, and the bowl is from the Dollar Tree as well, that you don't need to do much, that you can fill it up and give it to your friend, to your loved ones. Or if you're making it for yourself as a kind of like enjoyable air freshener, and I love potpourri, then you could put it in something like that, I guess, or different ways. This is from Dollar Tree as well. So I bought a couple because I like how they look like, and I just loved it. Anyway, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a like. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.